Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to block ads on iPhone. Blocking ads on an iPhone can improve your browsing experience and reduce interruptions. So in order to do that, simply go to the settings in your iPhone. Then inside settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security. Now inside privacy and security, scroll down till you find the option Apple advertising, and if it is turned on, then simply turn it off. It is not available in the most of the region. As you can see, I don't have this available, but if you have it available and if it is turned on, then make sure to turn it off. After that, go back to the settings again, scroll up and tap on the screen time. Now inside the screen time, scroll down and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option available there. Now make sure to turn it on. After you turn it on, scroll down and tap on the Apple advertising. Now make sure to change this into don't allow. Now go back to the content and privacy restrictions and make sure to turn it off again. Now go back and search for the Safari app. And now inside Safari, scroll down, and if there is the option available as block pop-ups, then make sure to turn it on. If it is turned off, then simply turn on the block pop-ups. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.